In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and use certain functions within Intuit to manage your accounting tasks seamlessly. This guide aims to streamline your workflow, whether you're new to Intuit or looking to enhance your efficiency. Let's begin by heading over to the Intuit website. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this is essential to access the functionalities we'll be discussing. Once logged in, the first thing you want to do is navigate to the Manage Users section. This area is crucial for overseeing who has access to your account and managing permissions. Simply click on the link or find it under your account settings. Having control over user management can greatly improve your data security and ensure that the right people have the right type of access to your information. After reaching the Manage Users section, you're going to see a range of options. What we're interested in is the little plus icon, which is typically located around the top of the page. Clicking on this will allow you to add new users to your account. This is perfect for businesses that need multiple employees to have varying access to accounting data, or if you are collaborating with external accountants. Next, once you've clicked the plus icon, move on to selecting Credit Memo. This option might initially seem straightforward, but it's a powerful tool for handling situations where you need to provide credits to your customers. Whether it's for returns, allowances, or correcting an invoice, the credit memo can save both time and ensure accuracy in your accounting records. Finally, once you've input all the necessary details into your credit memo, the last and very crucial step is to save your work. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find a Save button. Make sure to click it. This action will secure and update your changes within Intuit, ensuring everything is captured accurately in your financial records. Remember, saving your work frequently helps prevent any loss of data and ensures your books remain up to date. To recap, you want to begin by logging into your Intuit account and going directly to the Manage Users section. By clicking on the plus icon, you can add new users to facilitate teamwork. From there, you navigate through creating a credit memo, which is indispensable for managing customer credits effortlessly. And as a final reminder, always save your work to avoid any disruptions. With this comprehensive guide, I hope you feel more comfortable navigating Intuit's features that can significantly aid in managing your business operations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave comments if you have questions or need further clarification.